Shirley Mac posted this video on the social media. She was at a David Lee Roth show.
He's making sounds like he's a caveman.
I think it's like a cat in, I think it's a cat in heat. Shirley rules.
She's regretting it because she said, this is what I saw her on social media and I still decided to go.
Wait, let's hear it again.
Like a cat, like someone stepped on a cat. That's exactly what he said.
Oh, they need a translator. They need a translator for the David Lee Roth shows.